membantah sekeras-kerasnya kenyataan Perdana Menteri yang keluar semalam ya dalam akhbar-akhbar tempatan yang mengatakan bahawa the plan is safe. Dengan keadaan di mana Perdana Menteri dan Aegis Chamber berada di bawah Perdana Menteri dan dalam keadaan legal suit has been filed, I would really like to remind the Perdana Menteri that it can be construed as interfering with the law, okay, and interfering with the court. It can be perceived, okay, it can be perceived as sub judice. The law in Malaysia is not about being, it's not about just non-interference. You must be perceived as non-interfering. And for the Prime Minister, who is very aware that a legal suit has been filed for a judicial review against Linus, it is very, very unbecoming for him to make an actual statement knowing that that is going to be the court hearing today. To me, that is it can very, I mean the least I can say is misconstrued. It can be misconstrued. The worst is sub judice, and interference with the court. Okay, so
your opinion about the judicial review with all these people coming all the way from
our lawyers asked for public hearing, open court, considering this is a public interest case. But however, there is provision in the law which allows the judge to hear in chambers. So it is the judge. I think it's best for me not to comment on the judge punya ni ya. But it's the judge decision and there is provision in the law. But I'm disappointed on behalf of all the people who travelled the whole night, and who came all the way from Kuantan. 2 busloads came from Kuantan. They were hoping to hear the details of the case because as we have told the court that it's a public interest case, and as such the rakyat have every right to listen to what are the arguments from both sides. What's next? Whatever all the arguments from the respondents, the Linus especially, is new to our lawyers. So our lawyers have asked for a fresh date. And then the fresh date of hearing is the 20th of March. Okay, so 20th of March, there will be another hearing where all the lawyers will be available. Okay, in the meantime, we are not withdrawing, we are not doing anything else. We are just pursuing on the same grounds, which is AELB, the regulator, have breached the law when they did not call for detailed EIA, which makes it compulsory for detailed EIA. So dia langgar undang-undang, jadi that's why we ask for judicial review. I also want to make a comment on apa yang dikatakan oleh syarat-syarat ya. Dia ada syarat-syarat, dia ada 5 syarat yang dikenakan ke atas Linus ya. Di mana the regulator dah sebut 5 syarat. Pertama, dia kata mesti ada permanent disposal facility. Kedua, dia kata mesti ada undertaking from Linus to return the waste back to the country of origin. I want to tell you that pada saya ini adalah main wayang. Kenapa saya kata ini main wayang? Sebab condition yang pertama dan condition yang kedua contradicts each other. If the waste is to be returned back to the country of origin, then there's no need for a permanent disposal facility. Okay, it contradicts each other. The two contradicts each other. Also, it did not mention how long after the waste is generated it has to return back to the country of origin. Kalau according to Linus, they can keep it on site until 20 years. They have enough facilities to keep it on site at least for 14 years before looking for the permanent disposal facility. So there was no time frame which was mentioned in the syarat-syarat. I think that's not good enough. Yeah? Sebab bila Linus, bila AELB and the regulators kata must return back to country of origin, at the same time kan tak ada permanent disposal facility. Kemudian tak cakap bila within what time kena return the waste back kepada country of origin. And also for the regulators to say that at a time when they know that the Australian authorities and the Australian minister have said no, not once but twice. Yeah, actually more than twice. Once in Western Australian Parliament in answer to my question, recently in answer to the reporter that called, yeah, and also publicly in Australia they say it is now Malaysian waste. So the Western Australian Parliament, Australian authorities refuse to take back what they construe as Malaysian radioactive waste. It's generated by a plant based in Malaysia, okay? Because they bring out the ore. Okay, now it's our waste. And the authorities, the regulators also know that radioactive waste is not bound by the Basel Convention. The Basel Convention says that radioactive material taken out of country of origin must be returned back to the country of origin. Yeah? But it does not cover radioactive waste. The regulators know that very well. And for them to main wayang and silap mata like this, and this is an act of misleading the rakyat. And I think the regulators must stop doing this. They must be transparent and answer to the rakyat. Syarat-syarat to contradict each other, syarat-syarat yang dia tahu, it does not hold. Like Lynas memang tak boleh. Apa yang saya baca begini, dia tahu, the regulators know that Lynas cannot come up with an undertaking. So maybe that is their way of BM saying that, wah, they are the champion of the rakyat. Whereas apa yang kita nampak memang main selap mata selama ini. So I am very unhappy with even though syarat tu nampak ketat, tapi sebenarnya di sebalik syarat-syarat itu it contradicts each other, and then dia tidak konsisten, dia berselindung, kerana very clearly Australia will not take it. So kalau kata Lynas tak boleh come out with undertaking, then what does ALB say? Yeah, we put the rakyat first. No, this is very inconsistent. This is very it lacks transparency, and I think they must stop doing this lah, because the rakyat deserves better than this. Okay.
Secara keseluruhan untuk hari ini.
Secara keseluruhan untuk hari ini, rakyat yang datang pada Kuantan, dua bas ini dan juga daripada orang Kuantan yang duduk di Kuala Lumpur cukup rasa kecewa kerana tak mendengar biji butir patah perkataan, ya. Kecewa kerana this is public interest. Kita make it very clear this is public interest, and the least they could do is have it in an open court, which they didn't. Even though it is provided by the law, and I don't want to appear as if I am challenging the judge. I don't want to challenge the judge, but I appeal in future, that please lihat isu ini sebagai isu public interest, ya, dan put the rakyat first. Okay, supaya the whole reporters, satu dunia boleh dengar apa dia perbahasan yang dibahaskan oleh kedua-dua belah pihak. Okay.
Sekali lagi. Ini gambar saya.
Okay.
Stop Lynas. Stop Lynas.